So, other than me and my friends throwing popcorn at nonchalant wannabes, this movie was not a horror movie at all. It was actually a comedy, a bloody comedy, but it was really fun. I would recommend it to comedy fans, I guess, or Terrifier fans, because it's kind of like that, and it has some Final Destination, like kind of the same concept, except not the same story at all. Yeah, this is kind of a short review, so I'll give it a 7.2, and here's my Letterboxd review. And sorry for not uploading for a while, but yeah.